Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you're new here, you are highly welcome. Alright, so in today's video I'm going to show you an ingredient that would reverse the look on your face. Okay, that would make you look younger. It is an anti-aging treatment. Okay, now one of the causes or some of the causes of early wrinkles or early fine lines is as a result of dehydration, like not taking too much of water, sun exposure, bad nutrition, and using some harmful cream on your face, and also age. Yeah, so this natural home remedy would help you to reverse all of that. Well, with time, yeah. Okay, so you have to always use it, yeah, and it's gonna work like real good. All right, so if you want to know what it is, please do continue watching and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the bell beside the subscribe button, and let's dive into the video. We're gonna be needing Vaseline because Vaseline helps to heal the skin scrap and bones. It moisturizes the skin and also the face. It helps to heal the hands from fine lines, crackiness, and age spots. It also prevents rashes. It removes darkness under the eye for removing fine lines and as well as wrinkles. Now, to make that even better, we're going to be needing eggs. And in this one, we're going to be needing the egg yolk. Now, egg is used in improving the skin texture. It is rich in fatty acids, and the white in eggs contains albumin compound, a simple remedy that protects the skin. It helps to tighten up the skin. Now, we're also going to be making use of lemon in this mix because lemons are rich in vitamin C, which is helpful for the skin to brighten up the skin, make the skin look glowing. It helps to brighten and tighten the skin pores. The vitamin C in lemon, it's a great antioxidant for neutralizing free radicals, and it helps to boost your collagen level on the skin. We're also going to be including pure gram flour in this. Okay, now gram flour helps to fight the infection that causes your face to erupt with acne. Secondly, it also helps to control the excessive sebum production and salt inflamed skin. It also helps to remove fine lines and as well as wrinkles. It helps to leave your skin and your face looking really young. Alright guys, now we would have to be scooping in some good quantity of this wonderful oil, which is petroleum jelly. Now, if you cannot actually use petroleum jelly, okay, you can replace petroleum jelly with coconut oil. It's still perfect. Okay, so now we're going to be extracting the yolk from the white. Yeah, so I have here just the yolk and the Vaseline. Okay, now we're gonna be cutting in the lemon, but since I have half cut of lemon, I'm gonna be needing that. Okay, because we don't actually need too much of this lemon here, so I'm gonna be squeezing this lemon into this mix, just squeezing all of the good juices Okay guys, now let's put in the ground floor. So I'm going to be taking just a little quantity of ground flour. 1 tablespoon is going to be enough for this mix. Now it is set. You have to mix it and stir it all up. Okay, you also have to give it time so that the Vaseline, which is a petroleum jelly, can mix with the other great and important ingredients. So stir it and stir, and so as we have a good consistency. Alright, so now we have a good mix, and for this you can actually use it just twice in a week. Okay, and you actually have to use it very early in the morning before you apply your lotion, and then you use it also in the evening before you sleep, and you're going to see a huge lot of improvements on your skin. Okay guys, so for this I'm gonna be using my brush, but of course you can just dab it all through with your hands and it's just gonna, you know, go well. So I'm actually gonna be using my brush to do this. You would have to generously apply this onto your skin. Sounds okay. Alright, so what you do is that you are gonna give this a little massage. Okay, massage it in a circular motion in an upward direction also. After this, you would have to wait for 3 to 5 minutes. Let it dry because it's going to dry really quick. Okay, so when it dries, then you can wash it off with lukewarm water or a normal room temperature water. Okay, now when you wash it with a lukewarm water, it's going to help you in reducing the smell of the egg yolk. Okay, but still you can still wash it off with normal water, like a room temperature water. It's still going to help you also. So after 3 to 5 minutes, I'm going to go wash it and I'll be right back. Guys, you know, use it just like I've earlier said, I've earlier told you in the video, and it's going to help you to reverse your look. Well, it's not gonna reverse your age, but you are going to be looking really plump and really young. Okay, and this is actually simple, like it's just a few ingredients which I know that you can easily find. Okay, so that's it guys. If you did enjoy watching the video, please don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button, and also subscribe, share the video, like it, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay beautiful and young. Bye.